I am about 2 days away from launch. I have a lot of projects to do. It's Saturday, so let's get to work. So the plan is to knock out this wooden panel so I can put curtains. That way I can have easy access to the garage area. So that's what I'm gonna do. Found a screwdriver, somewhat a screwdriver. I don't know, I don't have that many tools, but I'm gonna try to get it out with my hands. These screws aren't really in there. I had to pause. I had to do a quick little outfit change. Doing this in jeans was not really comfortable. Good Salem, come on. I'm gonna show you guys where those screws were. One was there, up there, the same spots over there. So now I just have to take these staples out, and that cord is hung up there, so by this little bracket, so that one is fine. Salem's just here enjoying our last moments at our home. I removed all of the screws and the staples, but something else is holding it in there. So I'm going to go inside and look at it from the inside to see if there's anything holding it in there. Like when I push on it, that opens, but there's something up here and up here. This one's really not moving at all. So I'm gonna figure that out. Just kicked it a little bit to see, and it came loose. So here we go. Oh my god, I got it out. I'm so proud of myself. You can see right through it, so nice. So I'm sitting here and my mom's boyfriend pulls up. What?
Claire?
Hey!
Hey!
This is John. I'm vlogging. And this is Jazz.
Where's a good place to eat?
What a pleasant surprise!
I overlooked it.
Yeah! You too.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you too. Making these beautiful changes.
Yes.
Thank you. He stopped by and gave me a burrito. My sister's dad makes burritos, so Ray's Burritos, shout out, they're the best burritos in Aurora and Denver. Oh my god. It was so hot. Oh my god. Whew. Oh, this is water. This is not beer. This is not Modelo. My mouth is still on fire from the burrito, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna persevere and push through the pain to show you guys this. Okay, so I have these cords now that are kind of in the way. I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna do with those. It's kind of hard to record in here, but I'm trying to fight with the sun and put these in here and get it all together. I got this curtain right up by the grace of God, and it's Not looking that good, but it'll do. This was the best that I can do.